you. Hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
guys, I am back home and I'm just going to recap what I got. Aldi haul, I got some oatmeal cookies, the sandwich cookies. The kids love these. Some oranges. I have some hash browns. The chicken fries, 2 chicken nuggets, some eggs, of course, because I make a lot of things with these eggs. Omelets, French toast, different things I use with these eggs. So that's why I got 2 things of eggs, butter, or margarine, butter, some pork chops. This is for the home. Okay, and I got some vegetable oil, canola oil. I have some sourdough bread, English muffins, bagels, and I found this right here, the apricot preserves. I never had this from Aldi, so I'm hoping that this is good. The regular white bread, some vegetables, which is the carrots, the peppers, cucumbers. These are so good, you guys. Chicken sausage from Aldi's. If you never had it, try it. It is so good. With some chips, some pears, and some peaches, and some fruit cocktail. I got some Parmesan cheese that I'm gonna make something with. I forgot what it was, but
been eating that long, little boy.
But that's the reason. That's the reason why I grabbed this. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna make with this. Maybe some pair this with some chicken breast and make like a little sauce with it. I'll see. I got the Pop-Tarts, strawberry Pop-Tarts, Harvest cheddar. I got some carrots, and some hazelnut spread. I never had this from Aldi before, but I'm gonna try it. I mean, you can't go wrong with it, huh? These right here, y'all, I just eat these just as a snack. Put it in the refrigerator. Pickle chips. Oh, these are so good and crunchy. Hubby got some chili. I got some bananas and some potatoes. Chicken tenders, chicken wings, chicken breast, the milk, pineapple. I said I was gonna get some pineapples. I'm hoping and praying when I cut this open, it's some good. I haven't been having any luck with these fresh pineapples. And the mixed grapes, green and purple. And let me put this up and I'll just show y'all one more bag. I got some Gouda cheese. I got to go with my bread that I got from Aldi. So remember, sourdough bread. Hubby got him some chips. I got me a moon pie. I had one of these in a minute. Key lime pie. These are so good. 2 come in the pack. I got me some sausage because I'm gonna make some homemade biscuits and gravy. The Smithfield bacon. This was on sale, y'all, for $3. I got some biscuits. The flaky layer. And just the regular home style, southern home style. I got some puffs for the kiddos, some strawberry filling for my dump cake, donut for me, honeycombs because I love honeycombs. I got some teethers for my grandbaby. It's the strawberry apple spinach, tomatoes, sweet potatoes, cream cheese, and then at my local store, Snooks, they have 4 items for $20. So we got some catfish and 3 ground beef, and then I also got some avocado. That's about it, you guys, on this rainy day, rainy Saturday. I finally got out and get me some little stuff that I needed, ends and eyes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, share the video, comment, and even subscribe. And you know what? Comment down below and let me know if you want to see more grocery hauls or just a day in the life outside of the daycare things. But make sure that you look forward to more videos. I am working on more videos. And you guys be blessed and safe out there. Stay safe out there.